Inflation comes in hotter than expected. Is that a problem? I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management, and the Consumer Price Index, also known as the CPI, showed September headline inflation was up 2.4% compared to last year, which was a little higher than the estimate of 2.3%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, was up 3.3% compared to last year, and it also came in a little higher than the expectation of 3.2%. Now, while the numbers were a little hotter than expected, headline CPI was down from last month's reading of 2.5%, and it actually registered the smallest increase since February 2021. It's come a long way from the high when that was in June 2022, and headline inflation grew 9% at that point in time. The major discrepancy between this most recent report and the headline and the core numbers was energy. The energy index was down 6.8% compared to last year, and gasoline prices had a major impact as they were down 15.3% over the same time frame. Shelter costs continued to have an outsized impact on the report as the index was up 4.9% over last year and accounted for over 65% of the 12-month increase in core CPI. The decline in inflation has continued to moderate, but overall, it has continued to trend in the right direction. While this report was somewhat disappointing, I don't think there is anything of major concern in this report. With the Fed's next meeting coming in November, it will be interesting to see how they interpret all the data, as there are several factors that will have hopefully just a short-term impact on inflation and the labor market. These factors include both Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton, as well as a Boeing strike that has had roughly 33,000 union workers on strike since September 13th. Given all of this, my estimate at this point in time would be that the Fed will do a quarter-point cut at that November meeting. Stay ahead of the investment world by subscribing to our YouTube channel and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights as well.